In this tip of the day, let's take a look at changing the color of the toolpath within OneCNC. So to begin with, why would you want to change the color of the toolpath? Well, in this example, you can see that our fixture plate is actually white. And if I were to take my cursor into the NC Manager and left click on this machining operation, you can see that we might want to darken this light green toolpath just a little bit. It's very easy to do, and it's also very easy to reset it back to the default color. All right, so how do you change the color of the toolpath? Well, take your cursor, head up to the top toolbar here, and just click on File. From there, you want to select OneCNC Properties, and what you want to do now is you want to locate the Colors tab. Just left-click the Colors tab and come down here where it says Backplot Feed Color. There's that light green. Now, if you click this little down arrow, it's going to give you the standard color palette. If you click More Colors, it gives you more of an exotic or more extensive color palette. You can also click on Custom and really define any color that you'd like. In fact, I'm going to drag this down and I'm going to want my toolpath to be kind of this darker green. So I'll click OK to that. I'm going to click OK again, and now if I take my cursor, head back into the NC Manager and left click on the machining operation, you can now see that we've darkened that toolpath. So this is a little bit easier to see with that background geometry. All right, now if you want to take the toolpath color and set it back to the default color, very fast. It's very simple. Just go back into File, go back into your OneCNC Properties. Again, you want to locate the Colors tab, and in the lower left-hand corner, just simply click on Reset All Colors. Click OK to that, and now we've reset OneCNC back into using the default colors. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.